I started to collaborate with Dr. Velibor Spalevic a few years ago when we worked together on a research with Professor Jan Nissen at the University of Ghent on soil erosion and land degradation in Montenegro using repeat photography. As a fluvial geomorphologist, I was very much intrigued by the beauties of Montenegro and especially about its rivers, its mountain rivers. And I started to be interested in develop research on this topic in Montenegro. Following this initial investigation, I collaborated with Dr. Spalevic on a few papers on soil erosion and river sediment transport, which is another evidence of landscape sculpturing on Earth's surface ongoing processes. This very positive and productive collaboration and communication with Dr. Spalevic suggested to me to go further, to go on, and so I asked my university to get some funds to visit Montenegro in order to establish some more deeper collaboration and to expand our initial relationship with Dr. Spalevic and other university and research and academic institutions in Montenegro. I obtained the funds and I was able to visit Montenegro leading a small delegation including my colleagues of my department, Professor Paolo Ciavola and Dr. Massimiliano Fazzini. Professor Paolo Ciavola is a coastal geomorphologist and Massimiliano Fazzini is a climatologist. During our visits, we visit Montenegro 3 times, so we had opportunities to visit the inland part of the country, and I was very much interested in rivers and appreciate the beautiful rivers, beautiful mountains, but also I found very interesting ongoing processes in the coastal zone, on the beaches. But at the same time we observed that although a Montenegro environment is still very well preserved, due to the expanding economy, the expanding urbanization, we are observing also some problems that deserve to be studied in more detail. Especially, I think we should keep in mind that it's very important to maintain a sustainable equilibrium between the demanding economic development of the country and the preservation of its natural resources assets. We find also that there are many interesting scientific issues, scientific problems that deserve to be developed and investigated, not only for the benefit of the country of Montenegro, but for the benefit also of other countries in the Mediterranean and in the world as well. Especially related on slope, rivers, beaches, dynamics, processes under climate change condition and recently human impact. So in order to foster this collaboration with Dr. Spalevic and the other Montenegro academic and research institution, we signed 5 bilateral agreements, and we are planning to prepare joint research projects within the European funds, especially the Horizon 2020 program, so that we can exchange knowledge, students, lecturers, and professors. We have informed also the Italian Embassy about this ongoing collaboration, and the Italian Embassy is very happy to support all initiatives to strengthen the collaboration between Italy and Montenegro. I am convinced that this collaboration will provide us with a very shining future of collaboration, and I'm sure that we will get interesting results for the benefit of both countries and the knowledge on this topic in general.